Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. So today what I've got for you is a absolutely brilliant, super cool design. It's a one bloom shark. Looks really fierce and mean.
You're going to need a bigger boat.
Very easy to make. It looks quite difficult, but it isn't. There's no pinch twist in it. I think it's maybe one pinch twist in it. It's a fantastic design, and if you've got a grey, silver balloon or a light blue, you are ready to go. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I start making the shark, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon next to it. If you like this video, give me a like, and better still, leave me a comment. So you want to inflate your 260 grey, silver, light blue, leaving about a good 6 inches uninflated. Give it a stretch, give it a squeeze, make sure it's nice and soft. And you're going to start off with a 3-finger bubble, just like that at the knotted end. And then you are going to start maybe a sort of big 1-finger bubble, 1.5-finger bubble. And you're going to take the knotted end and just twist it into there, just like that. And then you're going to take the knotted end and just push it through the 2 bubbles, just like that. So now what you're going to do, you're going to do the side fins. And you're going to do maybe a 2-finger bubble. First fin, you're going to do the second fin. And now what you want to do is you're going to take this and you're going to wrap it around these 2 bubbles, the first 2 bubbles that you do. Just like that. And then do the twist sort of between the fins and the front 2 bubbles. Now, you might take a little bit of confidence because you think, oh, the balloons are going to pop. But I assure you they don't, unless you've got your balloon really open inflated. So you can see we've got the top of the head, sort of the front part of the sort of shark's head, and you've got the bottom, that's for the mouth of the shark. And we've got the 2 fins. Now you want to do the fin, the body fin, and that's going to be about another 3.5 fingers. Give it a little massage there, and then you're just going to do the flower petal. So we've got the fin, and now you should have a little bit, maybe a couple of inches, an inch. I'm going to just do the shark's body. I'd make mine a little bit wide, a bit longer if I had a bit more bloom. And then for the sort of tail fin, going to do a 2-finger flower petal. Maybe I can do it a little bit bigger. And there we go. We have got a really cool 1 bloom shark. So all we need to do now is put some decoration on our shark and make it look like it could be in any Jaws movie. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm just going to do them. There's the first one. I'm going to do the other one around the other side. And now I want to do the mouth of my shark, so I'm going to draw the mouth here. So do a really nice big jaggy line going right across. And I'm going to put a line through my jaggy line. So I could have done that a little bit better, and then I'm going to do some decoration on the body. And there we've got a fantastic one blue shark. So thank you for watching, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.